Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a clan in Clash Royale. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, the interface of Clash Royale, on the right hand corner on the bottom side, click on the clan, and as you can see I have not joined any clan here. So click on the option that's saying show, click on this purple button and it's showing you a number of clans. So in order to make one you need to click on create new. So click on it and now simply put your clan name here. I'm just gonna put any name here. I will just type any random name here. You can choose your badge from here, number of badges that are available. So I'm just gonna select any one of them. Put a description here. If it's a family friendly clan, just type here so that other people can join. And if you choose the type that you want here, if it's open, if invite only, if it's closed. I will just select it open, and this is an important option here, required trophies. If you want to invite only pro players here, you can put a maximum number of trophies here. So you can put almost like 2000, 4000, so that only good players join your clan. And if you want to put it family friendly, click on, and you can choose your location here by clicking on browse. So as I'm from Asia, I will just simply select Asia. And now if you have 1000 coins, you can simply just click on create and it will be created. So that's how you can create a clan. That's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.